We're going to solve a word problem by setting up a system of linear equations to represent the situation and then solve the system. So we need to write two linear equations, and then we're going to solve the system and state the answer. So here's our question. The sum of two numbers is 552, and the difference between the two numbers is 312. What are the two numbers? So we're trying to find the value of two numbers whose sum, so they add up to 552, and the difference means they subtract to 312. So again, we're going to use that information to get our two equations. The top one means to add, so sum means to add, difference means to subtract. So for the top, I'm going to use x plus y equals 552. And then the difference is 312, so x minus y equals 312. So now you have to pick, do you want to use elimination or substitution to solve the system? For this example, I'm going to use elimination. So when you use elimination, your first step is to combine the equations together. So I'm going to write them down, lined up on top of each other, and combine them together. So remember, you look at your constants. They're both positive, so you're going to add 552 plus 312. And then you're going to combine the y's. You have a positive and a negative, so they're opposites, they cancel out. And then the x's, remember the coefficients in front of an x is 1. So you have 1x plus 1x, which is 2x. So when you combine those together, you get 2x equals 864. This is a single step equation. The opposite of multiplying by 2 is dividing by 2. So we're going to divide both sides by 2. 864 divided by 2 is 432. So one of our two numbers is 432. So now we need to find the second number. So you have to pick one of those equations that we started with. And then we're going to plug in 432 for x. So I'm going to choose to use the top one, x plus y equals 552. And I'm going to plug in 432 for x. This is just a single step equation. To solve for y, you're going to subtract 432 from both sides. The 432's cancel on the left. You're left with y. And 552 minus 432 is 120. So from here we know both our numbers. The two numbers are 432 and 120.